Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto startup apps in Windows 11. So whenever you turn on your computer, some apps will automatically start, like Steam, Spotify, some other apps automatically start, right? So if you want to basically disable it, it's pretty simple. What you want to do is you have to open up Task Manager. Either you can just right click on your taskbar, then click on Task Manager, or you can use the start menu, then type Task Manager here as well. Both works, and it will open up a simple UI like this. The UI might be different based on which Windows 11 version you have, but it will be somewhat like this. You have to basically go to Startup or Startup Apps. Then you will see basically the list of startup apps which is enabled and disabled, right? So one thing that you could do is you can click on the status, and which will sort it by the enabled and disabled. So I can see that I have so many things enabled, right? So if you want to disable any of this, what you need to do is you just have to select which one you want to disable. Let's say I want to disable Microsoft Teams. So I just right click, then click on disable. Or if you are having a different Windows 11 version, there will be like, you can select this and there will be a 3 dot over here, and you can click on that and change it to disabled. And once you do that, you can see the change over here. It has been changed to disable. So on the next restart, the Microsoft Teams or whatever the app that you selected will not be automatically started. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.